Ex-shoplifter ties the knot. Nothing low-key about self-made social media sensation Queenie.
Take it crazy, never lazy, say it's gonna be the Queenie here. Up like ever, the Queen is here, the Queen is here.
I leave go England with my 2 kids go join my baby daddy, where we get another 3 kids, so we end up with 5 kids to 1 dad. That's where I'm struggle.
When it's in the picture, they might double tap.
My love. I call my mother every time. I say, Mommy, England hard. I go back home, have the baby, and when the baby born 6 months, my life change over. I start the shoplifting now.
You black girl was called to me and take my video when me at Thief Clinton Street camera candles.
Never heard of ex-shoplifter Queenie until social media addicts brought me into the picture.
So when I candle me, this is when I candle I'm putting on my bag.
Got to do Queenie, they urged. She's a scream.
I'm getting married March 28th to his birthday. Woo!
Queenie didn't disappoint.
Glamming for the wedding.
Sound a bit daggum.
For starters, who wears her wedding gown after the event? 50 plus from the UK, Queenie tying the knot with her 31-year-old Jamaican hubby over the weekend.
Let's do a spot.
Her followers glued to their phones as Queenie took her knot tying on the road. Tears and gaping bystanders in her wake. Queenie jumping from Jamaica to the UK and back home again, building up a social media following and even cutting some tunes. Still, like me, clueless about Queenie? Let's fill in the gaps.
Because I'm a mother of 5, I've got 5 kids and 2 grandbaby, and I'm a very strong character. And I believe in myself, and I've got a lot of confidence.
Them I wonder if I really feel that.
Well, I was born here, so that's my birthright, to find a husband in Jamaica. So that's what they say, but that's not what I say, because I was born here. Not that I could, it didn't happen that way, because that wasn't my journey.
All hail to the Queen, lady gangster.
Well, with me, Queenie, why I'm so interested, because everything about me is spontaneous. It's not planned. So I came to Jamaica, my brother died in August, so I meet Dwayne as a fan, and I was broken after the death of my brother, and all of that lead me to Dwayne.
My find new love, my June plum. Them vex me, I live my life. My find new love, my June plum.
Well, true love is the way you feel, the way you embrace each other, the bonds, the ins and outs, the good, the bad, and the indifference. So love is what you make of it. It is. I don't think I know.
And you're not just doing this for likes or turning yourself into a
No,
puppy
because
show?
when I was a kid, no, it's natural. I'm always want to get married and do it engaged to me in the space of 3 months. I've been with one man for 22 years. I give him 5 kids. I will never marry them. So do we come and I see that he is my soul. I get emotional.
My God bless everything okay. Me not stress if my business pay.
Well, that's back to some people. You can't know what cup of tea me drink unless you taste it. So me have my cup of tea and if you don't taste it, them don't know what flavor. So some people can continue to say whatever. But you know what? Love conquer it all. And the longest liver tell. Well, Jamaica people, that's a suppose you know those are doorposts. And I don't live on suppose, I live for it as it is. Tomorrow is no guarantee for no one. Me no must live for see tomorrow. So you see tomorrow if I'm dead, when I go to hell, I'm proudly a wife, Mrs. Scarlett. I do girl power, I do dancing, I do hosting, I cuss, I do music. Me's an influencer ladies, I counsel, I sing. So I've got many multiple personality. Me with the year, so I just got 0 to 1 million, and then we just get my car. I say, Queen Wave, So I don't compete myself with no one. You have the good, the bad, and the indifference. I am the indifference. So I can speak for myself. I'm married. She's a strong black woman like myself, but each to them own. Everybody have them own stage. Well, I am grown up. I am a very, very sturdy mother, grandmother. I've got a lot of influence on the world, aka the girls, from all young peeling skin, from the youngest a baby, I've got influence. So I am grown up. I've just got a childish spirit, a happy-go-lucky mentality. But it doesn't mean that I'm not a person of morals. I've got morals, dignities, I've got pride. So even though I'm vulgar, that's just my character of defense. What happened when we reach out? You can't do it, do it?
Ditch you.
Well, do you not go ditch me? Can't tell her one song we say, in your mind, no girl can whine like you no time. You see in my mind, no girl now get my June plum. A whole heap of June plum up on the tree.
Big chest, me a daily double.
A whole heap of June plum up on the tree, so them go pick them own a June plum. What if for me can't be for nobody else? I was in a relationship for 5 years and God dashed me out tight. And when me dash out tight, I say, why lad? And if it's crazy, you're going to find somebody who will love you. The June plum. All right, if it's him come, I say, if it's brighty. But he tell me, say, he want to be my man. I say, watch a trade, I might need him one string. Look at that, 6 months after, the same motor said no, come back and say, yes. Yes, I'm blessed.
See a lot of that. Them I say he coming like a sour. When they see me picture, them I double.
From I was young, they sent me a dance coming. My father used to get the drum and beat with that spotlight. It's just that Instagram, social media never about. When I go to the factory, I sing and dance. I go down and town school, I dance, I do modeling. I'm always in the spotlight. I like to be seen, and I stand up for myself. Because I believe in me. You see, self-love, self-belief. Now your mind, you're there sky. All when I tell you, say, you ever see the bird up there, sir? And the dog, how, how? Him could have barked till thy kingdom come. He can't catch that bird. Well, that's me. Them bark, but me still a fly.
Some clean, some fat. Some, the girl I want. Said the man I love to see a lot of that. Them I say he coming like a sour.
No.
Why?
Because I tell him, I don't want no more picnic because I have 5 already. So it's either him take me or leave me. It is what it is. Me 51, and I do it picnic. I don't want no picnic. Me a hot girl. It's truth. The truth is the truth. Him know. I tell him before all of this, say, listen, I have 5 kids already. I have a grandbaby. I have my career. I am an independent artist. So I don't need nothing for hold my back. So me and him work together. I'm going to be my music manager, I'm a producer. I have a new song come out on my wedding day. So we work together as a team. So when the baby question sign come, the side is we deal with that. But for now, I'm not bothered.
Queenie G, I may have a couple of G's with me, that's TNB. London girl, is eating me. 5 kids only per season me.
By the way, congrats, Queenie, and keep those tears coming.
I'm glad after expose 50 years, was still there, was still full of chat. Now take it back.
Excuse me, no pagans. Now seek validation.